Shandong Eagle Machinery Company Limited is located in Weifang, the beautiful kite capital of the world. Established in 1958, the former Weifang Medical Device Factory, Shandong Eagle takes pharmaceutical, electronics, brewery, and food industries as main business, and has reached the international advanced level in mechanical design and electronic control automation. Main products include RO2 plus EDI series purified water equipment, LDS series multi-effect water distiller, CZQ series pure steam generator, brewery equipment and fermentation system, liquid storage and distribution system, etc. Shandong Eagle has automatic production line of flattening and polishing of stainless steel sheets, automatic welding equipment, automatic water jet and plasma cutting, CNC processing center, advanced spectrometer, endoscope, roughness detector, thickness detector, and complete non-destructive testing equipment. It has first and second class pressure vessel design and manufacturing qualifications, and implements the pressure vessel quality system management. Production is in accordance with the GMP requirements of the pharmaceutical industry, and the automation control system is operated in accordance with GAMP requirements. Shandong Eagle is the first in the industry to provide customers with DQ, IQ, OQ, PQ, and FAT, SAT. Supported by a series of testing and verification documents, it has gained a high reputation in the pharmaceutical industry and brewery industry at home and abroad, and export to more than 40 countries and regions.